Hey everyone, Greg here and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I want to highlight a fantastic wheel and tire accessory designed to keep your wheels protected and provide some style to what would be a boring OE wheel. They are built and designed in the UK, and these are Alloygators, alloy wheel protection and style in one affordable package. So here they are, guys. These are Alloygators, the all-in-one curb rash solution. OE or custom wheels, it doesn't matter. Curbing a wheel is one of the most gut-wrenching accidents that can happen to any car enthusiast. And depending on the severity, the damage can be expensive to repair. These Alloygators are designed to sit in between the bead of the tire and the wheel, overlap over the outside lip of the wheel. So if you do contact a curb, the Alloygator takes the beating and not your wheel, saving you money and aggravation. But some of you may be hesitant to install a wheel protector such as this, fearing that it may affect the style and appearance of your vehicle, but you would be wrong. These Alloygators not only protect your wheels, but they also add style in the process. Alloygators offers 14 different attractive colors so you can match or accent your vehicle however you choose. From common colors like blue, red, and gray to eye-popping colors like neon green, bronze, and even pink. Now, added style is always a bonus, but the main goal here is going to be wheel protection. Now, to ensure that the Alloygator can withstand serious abuse, they're manufactured from a very tough blend of nylon composite, UV stabilizers, and impact modifiers, making them very durable yet flexible. And because this product sits in between the tire bead and the wheel, there is no chance of it spinning or coming loose of the wheel if properly installed. But before you can even think about installing a set of Alloygators, check for proper fitment. Now, it's important to note that these kits are going to be universal, and they are not designed for specific make and model vehicles or specific wheels. And if you are installing these on a set of aftermarket custom wheels, Alloygator does recommend to use the provided fitment gauge to ensure the lip of the wheel is wide enough to accommodate the protector. Now, when it comes to the wheel size, every Alloygator wheel protector is designed to fit wheels that range from 12 to 24 inches in diameter and ones that do not use an exterior or outer wheel weight. So unfortunately, guys, if your wheel does use the traditional clip-on outside wheel weight, these will not be compatible. Now, like most automotive repairs, when it comes to the installation, you can either do it yourself or have it done for you. Now, if you're a DIY kind of guy and you want to tackle this installation yourself, the process is simple. Depending on your preference, you can perform the installation with the wheels on or off the car. Now, if you're leaving the wheels on the car, make sure to jack up the vehicle and support its weight using jack stands. First, using a valve core tool, remove the valve core and completely deflate the tire. The next step is to take a spray bottle with soapy water and lubricate the entire perimeter of the wheel. Now, this is going to make it easier to install the Alloygator. Next, insert the metal grippers into the inside slot of the Alloygator, serrated edge first from the end of the gator all the way to the slot that indicates your wheel's diameter, and in this case, 20 inches. Take the Alloygator and start at the valve stem of the wheel by pressing in the side of the protector with the hole in it in between the tire and the wheel. Using a dead blow hammer, tap the protector in between the tire and wheel around the entire perimeter of the wheel, ensuring that it's seated. Now it's going to be time to cut the Alloygator to the appropriate length. Take your cutting tool and go ahead and mark the protector, ensuring that there's a gap of around 1 to 3 millimeters, about 1/8 of an inch. Pull the protector out slightly from the wheel and then cut the Alloygator. Align the grooves on either end together and then tap the remaining portion of the protector together. Now, once seated, use a small pry bar and expose the grooves and apply a little bit of glue and then tap it back into place and use the activator spray to accelerate the adhesive process in the glue. At this point, you can reinflate the tire, but not to its normal pressure. Add just about 15 psi and pound the Alloygator into the wheel and tire bead area further. Now, once fully seated, you can then inflate the tire to the appropriate operating pressure. Take your finishing tab, put a little bit of glue on the inside of the tab, and then install it to cover up the gap between the two ends of the Alloygator, and you're done. Now it's simply just a matter of completing the exact same process on the 3 remaining wheels. Well, everyone, that's going to wrap up my review of the Alloygator Alloy Wheel Protector. So if you're tired of damaging your alloy wheels and paying expensive repair costs, head over to carid.com right now to check out these effective, attractive, and affordable Alloygator wheel protectors for yourself. And as always, I'm Greg from carid.com. I'll see you guys next time.